Hey everyone, PATSCOSPLAY here, and today I received a package from Cosplay. Let's open it up. And before I get started, if you want to get $5 off any single order, it doesn't have to be this cosplay, it could be anything. Use my discount code PATSCOSPLAY. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll get 5% off at checkout. And to be honest, it makes cosplay a little bit more affordable because it's expensive. Way too expensive. So let's open her up here. See what we got. All right, there's a lot of stuff here, so I'm gonna have to put it down here. And here it is, all in one little neat package thing. It's actually in two neat packages. So it comes with some rope. This will be used for his little medallion thing that he uses. Technically in the show, he can fly with it, but then after that, they just fly anyways. But you know, that's a whole nother topic. We move on to his actual medallion itself. It's actually metal. I totally thought this was gonna be like a plastic or like a rubber. Wow. And it has pins on it, so I can even put this on my backpack after I'm done with the cosplay, which is, you know, 2-for-1 deal. So this right here looks like some belts and harnesses and everything. Oh, these are all his straps, right. He has a bunch of straps on him, like an insane amount. So that's cool. And they actually look like pretty decent quality. These must be his pants. Whew, look at these pants. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't need to get an extra large if this is the case. I thought these were gonna be connected, but they're not. So this is gonna be very wide, which is great because they're supposed to be extremely wide. Oh, this is like his little kimono jacket type thing here. Let me show that here. So I got an extra large, and the reason I do that is because all of their sizes are in Japanese size, so they're smaller, and I'm a big boy. This must be his undershirt because he also has the white shirt. And that's everything that comes with the cosplay. So the last thing is going to be his cape. Yes, this is his cape. So it gives you a whole little cape here. It kind of has like shower curtain things for its little holes to put the ropes through. We'll give it a try. Let's try her on here and see how it fits. And I'll do like a whole walk around tour thingy of it. Rukia, stab me. And there you have it. There is the cosplay. Look at that. It looks flawless. One thing I probably could have done was gotten a size smaller than this. A large probably would have been a little bit better. And that's simply just because it has a lot of like extra movement that you can make in one of these. They are supposed to be rather big, but this one is a little bit, not too, I wouldn't say too big, but like it's getting to that point where it could be considered too big. But yeah, what do you guys think of the costume? This part was insanely difficult to get together because they essentially send it as two different costumes. This one can actually be taken off, and then you would just have his like normal outfit. So it's like his kind of before he transforms and gets the cape and everything like that. He would have technically two cosplays in one. And I can show you that at the end of the video here, but for what it's worth, it was only like 85 bucks. Like it's pretty cheap. With shipping and with border fees, it was about 110 around there. But with that discount code, you'll save $5. But like for what you get, it's not too bad. You know, it's got pretty good movement. I mean, there will be some things that are just kind of like on it, but I mean, for the amount of time that you save, the amount of money it costs, and honestly, the quality of it, you're actually getting a pretty good bang for your buck. So this costume took honestly about a week to get to me, but that's because I emailed them and asked them where it was to make sure it was in time for a con. They usually have a thing on their website that actually says, when do you want it before? So you want to kind of order it. For me, I always order a week prior to when I need it, just in case anything happens at the border or things get mixed up on their end and they're not able to send it on time or something like that. It just gives you a little bit of security. And just like that, it is two cosplays. I understand they're very, very similar, but the fact that they still give you two cosplays for the price of one makes it a lot more incentive to purchase that from them. Because the only difference that he makes in that entire series, or in that arc at least, he goes from this one, which is like his base form, I guess, to having the flotation cape and some bandages. That's about it. Other than that, it's exactly the same all around. So I mean, if you guys want to pick this up, head to the link in the description. Make sure to use that discount code PATSCOSPLAY to get $5 off. So that's gonna wrap today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Rukia!